TVS traditionally shows off concepts that reveal its future direction, and the new Zeppelin concept is the company take on a performance cruiser. It features a 220cc single-cylinder engine, a first for the company that puts out 20 horsepower at 8,500 RPMs and 18.5 Nm of torque at 7,000 RPMs, and is paired to a 5-speed gearbox. No further specs have been shared, but the Zeppelin features a patented integrated starter-generator system. This is a similar concept to what's seen on Maruti's HVS mild hybrid system, but scaled down for a motorcycle. TVS takes it a step further with an e-boost function that brings in added performance from a 1200W regenerative assist motor, powered by a 48V Li-ion battery. When required, the bike has a claimed top speed of 130 kph. The Zeppelin packs an aggressive, power cruiser-style design, with a chunky, vertically oriented rectangular LED headlamp, a gold 41mm USD fork that appears borrowed from the RR310, and a flat handlebar. Facing the rider is a compact dial with an analog rev counter and digital readouts. Switchgear is borrowed from the RR310. TVS claims an aggressive, yet comfortable riding position with a feet-forward stance and a two-part seat. The cruiser has a wheelbase of 1,490mm, a curb weight of 168 kilograms, and gets a 300mm front disc and 240mm rear disc with dual-channel ABS. It rides on tubeless Pirelli tires and gets a 110/70 SR 17/1 at the front and a 140/70 SR 15/1 at the rear.